Hi friends, we all set greater intentions and resolutions on special days to create a great life for ourselves. But however, according to the neuroscience research, 95% of the time, our experience of today have been same as yesterday. Everything is same. Yet we want to experience something new. This is because our subconscious programs called personality. And the neuroscience research is telling us that whatever we experience repeatedly is what becomes a program. And 95% of the time, we have negative thoughts, we have limiting thoughts, and we have redundant thoughts and feelings. Spiritual science is telling us that our thoughts and feelings create our outer reality. So, dear friends, how do you set our attention to what we want? Join us in this 5-session online program to understand the science of manifestation with a foundation of meditation practice, to recognize and then understand how the habits are formed and what are the ways to break the habits and what are the ways to become a new person, and then recognize and understand how the visualization to dreaming of a future can move us into a greater state, elevated thought state. Learn and practice breath mindfulness meditation, which is very simple, which is practiced by millions to change themselves and powering themselves to realize their dreams. It's our vision goal that by the time you finish the program, you have a clarity of how to go about creating your future, reaching your goal. Thank you.
During my manifestation session, I had 5-6 pointers, and one of the pointers was to do a lot of Himalayan trekking. And when I got a call in the month of October saying that Anil, there is a Himalayan trek going on, would you like to join? There's one seat. I was so happy, and we went for a wonderful 11-day trek with 30 senior meditators from Buddha CEO.
My child has mild ASD, so that is where I bring in a lot of fear, and I would be like, oh, I don't think it'll be right to take him here or there or do this or that. Even that changed. Every day the teacher steps out and she says, he's so different these days. What are you doing? I have parents walking up to me and they try to compare their children and say, your child is so different. What is it that you're doing? I said, I changed my beliefs.